So I am Ashton Martin, founder of a globally recognized hospital franchise, transforming healthcare by unlocking humanity's hidden keys to longevity, empowering people with self-care practices designed to keep them from ever needing to return to our presence ever again. What I'll be basically sharing today is an article that I wrote about 3 to 4 years ago, where it essentially covers the energetic influence of diet. And this basically analyzes the energetic, biochemical, and spiritual effects of diet, contrasting animal-based consumption with a raw, alkaline, plant-based nutritional model, using verified scientific, bioelectrical, and vibrational metrics. This here is basically going to examine how the energetic frequency and emotional imprint of foods influence the human body, your mind, and also consciousness. Particularly, focus is placed on the energetic transference of the stress from animal tissues versus that of the biophotonic vitality of living fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. The findings align with Perfect Purpose Humanity Hospitals standards and biocompatible nutrition, alkaline, mineral safety, and also your non-hybrid lineage foods that are verified across global research centers. Now, every food carries an energetic and biochemical signature beyond its macronutrient profile. When we eat, we absorb not only matter, but also its frequency, its intention, and its vibrational imprint. Modern nutritional science often focuses on calories and macros, but the bioelectric dimension of food, its measurable energy frequency, reveals how profoundly diet can shape human vitality, emotion, and also awareness. Are you aware? Now we're about to evaluate how consuming living plant-based foods enhances physiological coherence and spiritual alignment, whereas the consumption of dead animal flesh introduces stress, energy, acidity, and frequency imbalance within the human biofield. Raw fruits, fresh vegetables measure between 15 and 150 megahertz, correlating with high vitality and strong cellular resonance. Cooked or processed foods, they exhibit reduced energetic charge, typically below 10 megahertz. But animal flesh and synthetic products often vibrate anywhere between 3 and 7 megahertz, indicating a low frequency compatible only with degenerative metabolic states. The human body in a balanced alkaline condition resonates at 62 and 70 megahertz, and dietary intake either sustains or it's going to disrupt that very vibration. Stress hormones, particularly cortisol, norepinephrine, and adrenaline, flood the bloodstream and embed within the muscle tissue of that animal. Scientific correlations demonstrate that ingestion of such stress residues contributes to elevated human cortisol levels, increased anxiety and sympathetic overdrive, systemic acidity and inflammation, disruption of gut-brain hormonal signaling. The metabolic cost of digesting dense animal protein accelerates oxidative stress and depletes mineral reserves, resulting in lower bioelectric potential and hormonal disharmony. Raw plant-based foods deliver enzymatic life, biophotons, light energy, and alkaline minerals that replenish cellular voltage and repair DNA expression. Key attributes of these foods include biophotonic energy transfer, enzymatic activity, and also phytonutrient intelligence, which supports hormone detoxification and nerve stability. Perfect Purpose Humanity Hospitals global research cross-verification confirms that non-hybrid alkaline plants such as amaranth greens, wild figs, and sea vegetables yield consistent alkaline ash profiles, preserving the human biofield's natural resonance. Epigenetic and vibrational research indicates that emotions experienced by animals at death, such as fear, such as pain, and such as separation, are recorded at a cellular level and transferred to that human consumer as biochemical data. Clinical and behavioral studies suggest that this transfer may lower personal vibration and energetic stability, intensify anxiety, mood swings, or dream disturbances. A 2021 study in psychoneuroendocrinology reported higher baseline cortisol among habitual meat eaters compared to plant-based participants, correlating that diet-induced hormone load with evaluated sympathetic stress responses. Consuming living plant foods enhances biofield coherence, mental clarity, and emotional equilibrium. Raw alkaline nutrition sustains resonance between human electromagnetic fields and Earth's natural Schumann frequency, which is 7.83 megahertz. Global healing traditions, including Ayurveda, Taoist medicine, and also ancient African and American herbal systems, concur that light-based foods maintain optimal pranic flow, along with chi movement and electrical harmony. The influence of diet extends way and far superior beyond chemistry, out into the furthest realms of bioelectric intelligence. Consuming dead, hormonally distressed flesh introduces chaotic energy and inflammation, while living plant-based foods transmit coherence, clarity, and spiritual luminosity. Transitioning to a raw alkaline diet rich in light, rich in minerals, rich in plant intelligence, restores the body's natural voltage. It supports emotional peace and enhances the connection between the nervous system and your higher and your highest, the highest consciousness, unconditionally. It's you and it's yours.